Hello, I'm Tom Butts with Remax Select, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to this timeless gem in the heart of Hillsdale. This home, built in 1952, is on the market for the first time in nearly 40 years. Let's come inside and take a look. Let's start our tour in the huge living room, featuring a cozy wood-burning fireplace insert and a beautiful beamed ceiling. Don't miss the huge picture windows and a stunning view to the east. The warmth of the pegged oak floors and mahogany wood doors and trim adds a special touch of elegance and nostalgia. Next, come on into the big dining room with its own gas fireplace and buffet. This large kitchen, complete with an eating nook, offers ample space for culinary adventures and casual meals. All of downstairs is richly paneled. We also have a large bathroom with a jetted tub and shower, and 2 more bedrooms, including one with a gas fireplace. Located in the desirable Hillsdale neighborhood, this home offers more than just beautiful living space. Hillsdale is known for its picturesque streets, vibrant community, and excellent amenities. You'll be close to parks, schools, and local shops, making it a perfect place to call home. This home combines classic charm with modern comforts, making it a truly unique find. And check out this lovely deck, and don't forget the stunning view of Mount Hood. Thanks for touring the home with me. If you have any questions, my contact information is down below.